everybody, so it's time for the next mystery jigsaw. On the label it says Aladdin, so this will be Aladdin. And since I'm still on my marathon, I have to hurry. And let's see how it goes. Okay, quite unspectacular, but this is Aladdin. And here we go. We've got Genie with the lamp and Aladdin and Jasmine and the carpet, of course. And here is the, what do you call him? We say der Sultan. And Agrabah, of course. So yeah, that was fun. And now I will do the next one. Oh, by the way, I think this is, I haven't counted yet, but 400 pieces. And as you see here, they are quite large. So yeah, just a side note. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see us next time. Bye bye.